Good morning, students. So already we know the conditions for similarities of triangles. Already we know if the corresponding sides are proportional, if the corresponding angles are similar, and if one side is proportion and one interior angle is equal, then two triangles are similar. This already we know. Using this corresponding dimensions, by the help of this we have to go through the textbook questions of exercise 6.3, that is page number of 139 in your NCERT textbook. That I am going to question number 3. Because of first two questions only you have to check that whether the two triangles are similar or not. Here is the diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. ABCD trapezium with AB parallel to CD. The diagonals AC and BD. AC and BD diagonals, they intersect each other at point O. And you have to prove that the claim is what? OA by OC equal to OB by OD. OA by OC equal to OB by OD. So here you take the two triangles at least. First I am going to take the proof of triangle AOB and triangle COD. In between AOB and COD we can write here angle OAB equal to this angle OAB equal to OCD, and angle OBA equal to ODC. Why? Because of AB parallel to CD given, and this pair is alternate angles. Okay. So now another angle. This two angle is sufficient, but if you want to write the next angle also, angle AOB equal to angle COD. This is called as a vertically opposite angles. So by angle criteria, triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. So after similar we can write here the ratio of the corresponding sides OA by OC or OA by OC equal to OB by OD. The corresponding sides OA by OC, OB by OD. Proved. Next question number 4. Question number 4 given. This question number 4, that is QSP here is given angle 1 equal to angle 2 in triangle TQR. P and S are any 2 points on the sides TQ and QR. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and you have to prove that, student, QR also given that here QR by QS equal to QT by PR, and claim is what? Triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. Proof. Hence, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So, from triangle PQR, we can write PQ is equal to PR because it is isosceles triangle. Okay, continued in the next page. Number 6. Here is the diagram 6.37 in your textbook given, that is in triangle ABC, D and E are the points. Okay, and BECD joined here. Given that triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, ABE, ACD both are congruent, and you have to prove that. To prove that its claim is what? Triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC, ADE, ABC. Proof. Hence, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. Therefore, ABE, ACD, only the sides we can write in triangle ABE. AB is equal to AC. ABE, AB, ACD, AC. And ABE, AE side equal to ACD, AD side. And ABE, BE equal to ACD, CD. Okay, students. So here for similar we can take ADE triangle. You see, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, ADE and ABC, angle A is the common angle, and AD by ADE and AD by AB is equal to AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Why? Because AB by AC equal to 1. Already we know here. You see, AB by AC equal to 1 and AE by AD equal to 1. Hence, both two terms are equal. Hence, using criteria 3 of similarity, that if two sides corresponding pairs are equal and one interior angle is equal, AD by AB, AE by AC, and angle A is the one interior angle, then triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Next page, students. Question number 8 given. ABCD is a parallelogram. AD is produced up to E and BE intersect CD at F. Given that ABCD is a parallelogram and BE intersect CD at F, and we have to prove that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. Proof. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, you see these two angles are equal. Why? Because AD, we can write here angle AEB equal to angle CBF. Alternate angle, hence AE parallel to BC, given it is a parallelogram. Okay, next we can write angle A is equal to angle C. Property of a parallelogram. Because opposite angles are equal. We know opposite angles are equal of a parallelogram. Sure. So now you see AEB equal to CBF. These two angles are equal and opposite angles. Now these two angles, using at least two angles if equal, then third angle definitely will be equal. So using angle criteria, triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. Proved.